It's Jack Daniel's fudge time, and we wanted a hairy man's arm coming in there, so we brought in a dude that had hairy arms. That didn't work out. So powdered sugar, add in some Jack Daniels. There's a lot of powdered sugar, okay? We need a little bit more Jack in that if you can put that much powdered sugar in it. This is pretty sweet, but this one's fun and delicious. Melt some chocolate chips, all right? And then you add that into our Jack Daniels mix, okay? You stir that bad boy up, all right? It's pretty simple and easy to make, guys, okay? Get a little pan, put a little wrapping paper. Well, what do you call that? You know the paper that you use in the kitchen, okay? All right, put that in there. You pour our mix in and you put it in the fridge to harden, okay? And then you take the paper thingy thing out and there you have it. And now you go in with your little sexy knife and you slice it up, okay? Party time. Guys, this is potent and delicious, but ultra sweet, but it's good. They're the hairy arms again, okay? We brought in a guy with hairy arms, like I told you. Stay tipsy.